Today we're going to try out our new sunjoe pressure washer, and it's our first time using this. It has a maximum PSI of 2300 and a GPM of 1.48. This is the corded electric model, and there is a detergent dial that allows you to adjust the amount of detergent you want for specific uses. And that's right here. The detergent tank around back is very large. It's 40.6 ounces. Now there are extra accessories available, but I only got what comes with the model. And it comes with 5 quick connect nozzles. There's a 40-degree one for general cleaning, a 25-degree for all-purpose cleaning, a 15-degree nozzle for tough jobs, and a 0-degree for spot cleaning or hard-to-reach places. And there's also a soap nozzle. So we're going to be using this pressure washer in the rear yard of a townhouse. It is mostly brick and slate, and it really needs a good cleaning. So I've completed one section of the yard, and that's right here. You can see a dramatic difference between this part that was where I used the sunjoe power washer and this where it hasn't been used yet. So it's working really well. I've even used it on some of the stones. Here we go. These stones were power washed and these were not. So it's a dramatic difference. So the pressure washer is pretty easy to use, very intuitive. Just hook it up, pull the trigger, of course choose which nozzle you want, and very easy. Of course, the closer that you hold it to what's being cleaned, the more pressure you get. Started on the slate towards the gate. This working on the slate hasn't been done up more towards the house, but again, you can see a difference. Thanks for watching.